In the previous video, we demonstrated how to use the shell execute command in order to load a file, and I mentioned in the next video I would explain how to create a do loop to wait for the window to load, and that's what I'm going to go on and show in this video. First off, to review from the previous video, we have shell execute, and then we're running the open statement on this file. This is the Google Talk file, and now what we're going to do is wait for the file to load. Now, we already mentioned that the shell execute command returns a value, and if there's an error, we'll know based on the value that it returns. And so shell execute will tell us that the file was not found or path was not found as a 2 or a 3. So all I'm going to do before I even proceed is put if start doc is equal to 2, then exit sub, and I'll put if start doc is equal to 3, then exit sub. That way there's no point proceeding onto the do loop if the file was not found or the path was not found. There's other error codes that you would want to program in here. The best way to go about this is just put if there's no error then to proceed. But this is all I'm going to use for right now, is just the 2 and the 3. I'm going to put do, and we'll create another variable, h window 2 is equal to find window. I'm going to use this code from up here. And what I'm going to do is wait until that window value is greater than 0. So the find window function, API function, will return the window handle to you. If the window does not exist, it's going to return to 0. So what we want to do is wait until the h window is greater than 0. However, right after the do, you want to create a do events, which allows the VBA application to run all of its code and not freeze up on you. Because if I was to play it without the do events, it's going to appear that the VBA is locked up or frozen, and the user will get a not responding error if the window is never found. So the do events just gives the application time to break, and that way, not break in the sense where it's going to give an error on you, but to where it lets all of the processes run properly without it being frozen. And I'm gonna, after the loop, I'm gonna put message box h window 2 so that we know that it's open. I'm gonna go on and hit F5 or play, and there you have it. It executed the Google Talk application, loaded it up, and it returned the value of the window handle. That now concludes the video. Thank you for watching.